All right.
Get it.
Grasshopper.
Jared. Hey.
Jared.
There's a fish.
Okay.
I don't know where it went. It was like over there.
Okay.
No, actually, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Not lying.
Aray!
Okay, one.
Yo, look. It's dangerous.
Whoa!
Oh no,
Yay.
that's dangerous.
Yay.
Jared, EJ. Jared.
EJ.
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 Wait.
Look at that.
Hey, cheese.
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 Wait.
Oh, look, it's in the water.
Oh.
It's okay.
Lettuce.
Here's he.
Remember what Evan Roden taught us about this class?
Yay.
Why is that your where we went? Wait, Sam, is it the limit of the left, the limit of the left and the limit of the right equals the limit in the center?
Walay.
Pero may timba niya. Huwag masyado baka matumba. Yan yung malalaki. Alright. Dadaan baka matumba yung mga.
Walang wala.
Yung mga basta malalaki, hindi na season. Baka mahuli pa kami. Baka mahuli pa kami. Ha? Nahuli?
Nahuli na sila.
Nahuli na kami. Nahuli na. Wala.
Nahuli na sila. Wala nang huli.
Walay.
Come. Oh, EJ. What?
Nakita niya kasi si ano.
Girl on fire. She's girl on fire. Girl on fire. She's girl on fire.
Kompleto na yung
This girl on fire.
Talaga.
Where's your paddle?
Okay.
At saka marami kami. Di ba kami kasali?
Yeah. She wants to see everyone.
How much ba ang ano nito? Para pag nakita nila siguro tatanong yung mga katrabaho eh. Yung mga kita nila tong mga ano to. Oops. Look at the sunrise. Sunset. Sorry. Yeah, huwag mo munang pulpulan. Don't put too much first. You let it. Ano.
Let it dry up.
Yeah, dry up.
Ay, hindi pala. Bakal na to.
Dry. Yeah.
Bakal.
Kunin na yung ano, mais.
The cherries.
Look at that. With the sunrise. Ha?
Makulit ka pa sa makulit.
Okay, sunset. Sorry.
Alam, masusunog na yung mga bulaklak. Kunin ko na lang.
No. Look at that. Ooh. Ganda. Ha. Don't drown her. Ooh.
Asia, let's go to Canada.
Ayaw nyo eh.
Yeah, us three. Asia, us three, let's go.
Hindi pwede ba ang tatlo? Okay, go with Kuya Nawa. Tatlo kayo. Go. Three of you. Eh? Go.
He's skeptical.
Ha?